So this here is our fleet. These two here. This is a Honda PCX 150, and that is a Honda Beat 110. Now I can tell you that after riding the Smax in the United States, that both of these feel a little bit lower to the ground, and this one here feels like a total lowrider. It's fun now. It's even more fun than it was before. Woohoo! Gotta love the Indonesian traffic, even though this is light. Feel like we're low riding. Yeehaw! Woo! And flick this thing around, it's so light. Okay, now we gotta get through this crazy ass intersection. Bit crazy, but you get used to it. That light right there that says eco, it always confuses me that I left my signal on, but I didn't. Got a beep for the bridge. It's a weird custom or something. And there's a celebration going on tonight, in case you're wondering what all this traffic is.
Sudah sidang kira mampu, sana sampun I think there's a right turn coming up somewhere. I think so. I hope so. I don't have the GPS on, so I'm totally winging it. You gotta remember, it's been over a year since I've been riding this traffic. Yep, right here. So we're gonna cut it before the island. Oh, so is this truck. Like that. Cars here are at least more aware of motorbikes on the road. That's the one advantage you do have here compared to the United States, where cars don't even pay attention to motorcycles, but here they do, so that's pretty good. That's how you pass. Oh, slow down for the woman with baby. And for the woman with daughter. Gonna do some side action. I miss the old side action. This is where you get really creepy close to the other cars that are to your right. And it looks like we're gonna be going left. feels so good right now. It's right at that time of day where, I mean, it's still hot here, of course, it's Bali, but at least with the breeze when you're riding, it ain't too bad. Plus we got a little bit of a cloud cover to take the pain away. I think we're getting close to the place, the destination. The journey never ends. Is there really ever a destination? Oh, a new PCX went by, the 2021 on the other side. Probably too fast to notice. Another crazy right turn. Here we go. Gotta be careful on this one. And we got it. Just like that. Also, what you can't see is that I'm checking my mirrors constantly. You gotta know what's going on behind you. On the lowrider, the Honda Beat 110. You know, this thing right here is really fast off the line. I know 110 seems small, but it's very, very light. So it's like a little rocket ship at the starting gate. So we're on the left side, but we're actually going to pull a right turn. You guys like the tail end of an old DC-10 up there? That's pretty awesome. I say that every time we pass this place. Every time it's as cool as the time before. Not bad for my first day back in the opposite side of traffic. Hope you enjoyed the ride.